new machine from N&W, from Necta. It's called the Flexy. You can see the machine is very compact and small, and it's using Lavazza blue capsules. In here you can insert your capsules. From the back side you will fill the water tank. The capacity of the water tank is 0.6 liters. The height of the machine is 25 centimeters. The width is 12.5, and in length it's 37.5. As you can see, when we insert the capsule, close it gently, and from the front side you can see there are two options. One is for the small espresso size and one is for the longer shot. So you have two options. We will choose for the espresso. The machine stops automatically, and when it's done you can just open it and the capsule falls down. So your coffee is ready, and if we open it we see a small tray for your waste capsules. There's also a small drip tray. This is for the waste coffee. The tray holds up to 5 to 6 capsules. So you can make the size higher for your smaller cups, plus you can adjust it for your bigger cups. So this is the Necta Flexy.